Faculty of Botany. Today we will talk about algae. Before going to discuss algae, just to learn about plant kingdom, algae. So kingdom Plantae, as per Eichler classification, Eichler 1883, so it will be into two subkingdoms, Cryptogame and Phanerogame. So these are cryptogams. So they does not have a seeds. Phanerogams so they bear seeds. But cryptogam, the having of, it will have three divisions. Having of Thallophyta and Bryophyta, Pteridophyta. Thallophyta, thallus organization, that means no differentiation of the root, stem, leaf. So thallus organization, algae, fungi. Phanerogams, that having of based on the seeds that covers fruit or not. So seeds are naked, so gymnospermae, they have naked seeds, no fruit that covers the seed. So these are angiospermae, seeds that covered by the fruit. Seeds covered by fruit. So it has two, that is a monocot having of the seed having of single cotyledon, dicot, seed having of the two cotyledons. So our concept is a algae. Thus what are the general characters of the algae? Algae, in the plant body algae, root, stem, leaf, that kind of the differentiation does not takes place. So thallus body and simple structure. Sex organs, that is a unicellular sex organs, cellular, non-jacketed. If the multicellular means all the cells that having of the fertile, but they can synthesize their own food material due to having of the pigment, so chlorophyllous structure. The algae having of, we cannot find about the embryo, so no embryo, very important student, as well as a vascular system, that means no xylem tissue, no phloem tissue, so non-vascular structures, non-vascular plants. So these are a general characters that have. So regarding the algae, just you notice about yes, what about the term algae given by Linnaeus. Linnaeus. It was a derived, algae derived from alga. It is a Latin word. The study of algae, basically study of algae, algology, algology or phycology, phycology. So in the Greek word phycos, phycos means seaweed, seaweed. Logos, study. But the person who did experiments on the algae and completely we consider it as a father of algae, M.O.P. Iyengar, father of algae in Indian modern algologist in India, and internationally Dr. F.E. Fritsch is an international algologist, is an Indian. So M.O.P. Iyengar is the first student of Fritsch. He worked on the algae in the Madras University. Yes, but what are the habitation of the algae? Habitat. So where do we find the algae? They may have in the high temperature regions as well as under the soil, on other animal body and plant body. Inside the animal we can find different words also. For example, high temperature regions, thermophytic algae, thermophytic algae. Thermophytic algae having of the high temperature around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, they can survive in hot springs. So high temperature regions, high temperature around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, we notice it. And some of the algae, they live in the epiphytic. Epiphytic means on other plant, including algae also. Epizoic condition. Epizoic means on other animals. Endozoic condition. Endozoic, inside the animal. So for example, common examples are the epizoic. Example for the epizoic. On snail, Cladopora. Cladopora is on snail, and as well as Protoderma on tortoise. Tortoise. Endozoic condition. Endozoic algae. Endozoic, the algae are present in the animal body. So, in animal. So, example, Hydra. So, Zoochlorella, it will be present in Hydra. Yes, example. Some are in the parasitic condition. Some are a parasitic condition. Parasitic condition example, Cephalaris, which is a caused red rust, caused red rust disease in the tea and coffee. So it is a parasitic condition, student. Even that some are in the cryptophytic condition. Cryptophytic is nothing but under the soil surface. Yes, under soil surface. Under soil surface, best example is a nostoc. Nostoc is a best example. Into marine algae, marine. So majority of the algae are marine, even the Phaeophyceae and Rhodophyceae. So brown algae, brown and red algae marine. So brown algae commonly we called kelps, and seaweeds. Largest algae is a Macrocystis. Note, very important. It was largest algae, Macrocystis. Yes. But some of the algae in the high salty regions, saline condition, so having a halophytic condition. Halophytic condition means high salt conditions. Some are in the associated to the pteridophyta like Anthoceras. Not in the yes. Anthoceras. Nostoc and Anabina, they are associated, so we call it as a symbiotic association. Symbiotic means a example is a Nostoc, Anabina. They are associated to the hornworts, Anthoceras. Thallus Anthoceras associated with Anthoceras. So not only here children, we can find anywhere like about some are present in the snow. These are we find about the crypto condition parasitic or this week. Some may present in the fresh water or marine water, so they are present in the everywhere based on that habitat where they survive. So now we'll go for that. What are the forms of the algae? We will discuss the forms of the algae. So once again I am explaining student, plenty of basic information about that, having of the what category of the algae that has and habitation of the algae. We will go for that. Forms of the algae. Yes, algae are forms in that means they are unicellular or a multicellular, or they are a filamentous or non-filamentous. They have about the branched or not. We can divide the algae in the different forms. Yes, forms of algae. Forms. So they have about the unicellular condition means okay. Unicellular algae. That's example in the NCERT textbook also unicellular algae. Chlamydomonas student. Sorry. Chlamydomonas and chlorella. Chlamydomonas a motile structure, have a plasma that having of the non-motile condition. Motile. These are a multicellular structures. Multicellular. So multicellular will be having of filamentous or not, multicellular nature having of. Okay, we'll go for that. So filamentous structure. Filamentous. These are the group of that is a Volvox is a best example colony in which the number of colonial form. Example Volvox children. Best example. Filamentous form. Filamentous form is branched or unbranched condition. So these are a branched. So unbranched condition. Unbranched. These are a branched. This unbranched condition. What are the common examples of the unbranched condition? Unbranched are, so these are algae that float freely in water current. So float, free floating, that means simply we write is a free floating. Free floating, best example is a Spirogyra. Spirogyra is a which belongs, that is a chlorophyceae. Even that is a Volvox also chlorophyceae. Funsalad ectogarbs. Chlamydomonas chlorophyceae. Chlorella chlorophyceae. Let me write about what about the formula. What about the formula for that? So as per NCERT, we need to study about the 3 classes only. So chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae. Our formula is a CH cube sun volume. So what about N? Just you strike out. CH cube means a 1 CH is a chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. Another CH is chlorella. Another CH is chara. So 3R belongs to the chlorophyceae. These are a green algae. And S is nothing but Spirogyra. Spirogyra. U is Ulothrix. Volvox. Volume means just you strike out. This was. So simply when you learn this was CH cube sun volume means we can remember all the examples for the chlorophyceae. So I can say easily simply Spirogyra belongs to, what is Spirogyra? Chlorophyceae. And Volvox is a, where is Volvox? Chlorophyceae. Chlamydomonas chlorella, chlorophyceae. Simple, these are a green algae. Yes. Coming to, these individuals that attach to the substratum. The substratum may be a rock in water as well as in the small twigs. Not only small, big twig also, plant materials, twig. So attached to substratum. Attached to substratum. Examples are a Ulothrix. Where is the Ulothrix? I didn't write. Is it Ulothrix? Ulothrix and Eudogonium. So what are the Ulothrix? I can develop the Ulothrix. Ulothrix belongs to the which class? Very important repeated question, children. The algae belongs to which category? Yes, you write is a. I can mention about the second one is a Phaeophyceae. So Phaeophyceae are a brown algae. What is the formula? My favorite food material is a Funsaladi ectocarpus. Funsaladi ectocarpus. It is my favorite food material. What is a fun? Just N is a strikeout. Yes, Fucus, Sargassum, Laminaria, Dictyota, and ectocarpus. Common example simply. Yes, so what about Ulothrix belongs to? Yes, Ulothrix belongs to here only, chlorophyceae. Yes, chlorophyceae. And the next category, free floating, is were attached to the substratum and they will be in the colony form. So these are the nostoc example as well as the oscillatoria. Nostoc belongs to the Mixophyceae, Cyanophyceae category, As for the FE Fritsch, he classified 11 classes. Among the 11, 3 are very very important for to write regular examinations. And branched one, these are unbranched structures. So the branched structures. So this branched one. The branched ones are, let me write clearly. Yes, these are heterotrichous. Category is a heterotrichous. Heterotrichous example is a ectocarpus is a example. Ectocarpus. Heterotrichous, that means the thallus having of the erect part as well as in the prostate part. That means one part will be erect, straight. Remaining remaining algae body is in the prostate, and as well as they are weak one. They are laying on the surface. So prostate erect, having of the two states. And pseudoparenchymatous. Pseudoparenchymatous. Pseudoparenchymatous having of the uniaxial filament. That means yes, Polysiponia is best example. Uniaxial filament is having of pseudoparenchyma, Polysiponia as well as a Gelidium, and multinucleated tubulate structure, Cephanius condition. Cephanius condition. So have multinucleated tubulate structure. Multinucleated tube-like structures they have. Examples. Vacheria is example, best example. Vacheria. And another category is only parenchymatous condition, student. Parenchymatous condition. Parenchymatous condition having a cell that differentiated into thallus, but not a completely, partially differentiation. Partially differentiation parenchymatous. Laminaria example. Laminaria best example, and ulva best example. Fucus and porphyra. So these are common examples to the parenchymatous structure. But what are belongs to laminaria belongs to which one? And fucus or porphyra belongs to which one? Go to the third formula. Our third formula is a rhodophycy. Rhodophycy. These are a rhodophycy are red algae. So always when I teaching the class, few of our students coming to class always late. So I does not allow the students. So immediately I will give instruct to go. So simple I say this, popo go. So what about popo go? So I use C. What is PO? Porphyra, not a porifera. And popo go, porphyra and poly. Let me wait, children. GO is a just to strike out. It is a strikeout. Gracilaria. And this is a Gelidium. And popo go, porphyra and let me remember, student, that I will say. So these are common examples. So when we have these examples, we can easily find that these are what category forms they have. So this is also important, student. So when you write number of the times as well as when you remember the number of the times, we can get command on it. So we'll go for that. As for the nature of the pigment formation, as well as what category of the storage food materials they have, and they have a ciliation. Based on that, these algae can be categorized into 11 classes as per the which among the 11, 3 we will notice. So let me write the 11 on the board. This for Polysiphonia, yes. Just you write about this was Polysiphonia. Okay. So forms we notice unicellular, multicellular, colonial form, filamentous form, filamentous branched, filamentous unbranched. They are common examples. So we'll go for that is a classification. That is a how many classes can be categorized in it. So I will go for the next student. So as per the which, yes, based on pigmentation, reserve food materials, reserve food and ciliation. So on that it can be classified. So Eichler classified. Sorry, F.E. Fritsch classified. F.E. Fritsch classified in the year 1935. So into 11 classes. Algae are 11 classes by F.E. Fritsch. What are the 11 classes? Chlorophyceae. Yes, I noticed about the chlorophyceae. Yes. Xanthophyceae. Cryptophyceae. PTO. Cryptophyceae. Bacillariophyceae. Chrysophyceae. Chloromonadinae. And Dinophyceae. CAE. Dinophyceae. And Eugrinophyceae. And go to the Phaeophyceae. Basic example is a brown algae. Phaeophyceae. And Rhodophyceae, red algae. Red algae. And the 11th one is a Mixophyceae or Cyanophyceae.